Hi, food lovers. Today we are going to be making parfait belfries, three beautiful strawberry options for your guests this Christmas. Of course, the first thing to do is to wash the strawberries we are going to use, and for this, I just put in some baking soda in water. You know, you can use baking soda to wash things. So I put baking soda in water and I just soak the strawberry in it for some time. So just before I took the strawberry out of the water, I rubbed it a bit and then I took out the green leafy part. So something else I also tried to do was to separate it. I kept the softer ones differently and I kept the hard ones differently because I used the soft one to make a strawberry puree, but the harder ones we cut directly into the parfait. After I took out all the leafy parts, I rinsed the strawberry. And we all know that strawberry is regarded as a luxury fruit. It's not the cheapest fruit out there. And serving something this beautiful and yummy to your guests this Christmas is you literally telling them, relax, you're safe here, and eat something pretty because strawberry is pretty. I mentioned earlier that I separated the strawberries by keeping the softer ones differently, and I started by dicing the softer one. So I just use this for a puree. For the firm strawberry, I just cut it into edible chunks because we're going to be layering this with Greek yogurt. For the puree in a pan, I put in the strawberry and I put in half cup of water and I just stir this continuously. So when you put this on fire, you need to make sure you're stirring continuously. I also added a bit of honey. It's totally optional. So you keep stirring so it doesn't burn, and you can also use your spatula or spoon to kind of press down the strawberry so that it breaks a bit more. But yeah, so when that thickened, I just put the fire out and we're ready to layer our parfait. So this was supposed to look nicer. I was supposed to put in this caramel syrup and have it drip into the cup, but it seemed a bit messy, but that's all right. It tasted really good. So for this, I'm using Mitch and K yogurt. I put in the yogurt first. I put in a bit of the strawberry. After that, I went in with another layer of Greek yogurt, and then I went in with the strawberry puree and I topped it off with the strawberry again. For the second glass, I mixed in condensed milk with the Greek yogurt. Now, I know we're trying to eat healthy, but it's Christmas. It's a time to be jolly and enjoy ourselves. So, this is definitely allowed. And I noticed that mixing this made the yogurt a bit lighter in consistency. So, I put that first in a glass. I tried to do the dripping thing with the caramel syrup. It didn't work. But yeah, I just layered with cut strawberries and puree. For the third glass, which I think is the prettiest glass, I started with layering the puree before the Greek yogurt and then some puree again before the Greek yogurt. Look at it's just so beautiful and it's the color of Christmas red. This was so yum. Everyone who had it really liked it. It's basically just three ingredients: the Greek yogurt, strawberry, and condensed milk, and it is divine. You won't know until you try it. So I think you should make this for your guests this Christmas. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.